In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Monarch Money and whether it's worth considering as your financial management tool in 2025. Monarch Money is gaining attention for providing an all-in-one financial visibility platform, and in this video, we'll dive into the pluses and minuses to help you decide if it's right for you. To start, let's talk about what people really like about Monarch Money. One of the key features is its all-in-one financial visibility. This means you can see a comprehensive view of your finances in one place, which is perfect for anyone who's juggling multiple accounts. It offers a customizable experience with lots of options to set budgets, track goals, and categorize transactions. Users who enjoy diving into the details of their spending will find the detailed reports and charts particularly beneficial. Another advantage is the clean, ad-free experience. For those who prefer a calm interface without the distraction of ads, Monarch Money is a great choice. Plus, you can invite family members or partners to collaborate at no extra cost. This is particularly useful if you manage finances jointly. The app also places a high emphasis on security and privacy. It uses read-only connections, which means it can view your data but cannot move money, adding an extra layer of reassurance. Now, let's move to some of the drawbacks or trade-offs with Monarch Money. First, it's not free. Subscriptions run around $14.99 US per month or $99.99 US annually. If you find you're not using many of the advanced features, you might end up paying for options you don't really need. There's also a learning curve involved. Setting up budgets, rules, and categorizing transactions can feel like a significant time investment, especially if you're a casual user. Some users have reported occasional syncing or accuracy issues, with transactions disappearing or delays in syncing across different bank and investment accounts. These can be frustrating and might impact your decision if accuracy is a priority for you. Additionally, certain features like bill payments and credit score tracking are missing, so if those are critical for you, you might need to use additional tools alongside Monarch Money. For simple finances, or if you find the subscription costs high, Monarch Money might not be the best fit. However, it can be seen as worthwhile if you have multiple financial accounts and need a consolidated view, or if you're focused on setting long-term financial goals and can invest the setup time to get things running smoothly. Ultimately, the decision hinges on your specific financial needs and preferences. Monarch Money provides robust, comprehensive tools for those who need them, but consider whether its features align with your financial goals and practices before committing to a subscription.